to my channel, my cake love. First of all, Merry Christmas everyone. So today we are going to make super duper easy Christmas cake and it is totally my version. So let's get started. First beat 2 eggs and make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Add 1 cup of sugar. Add 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Add 1 cup of flour. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Add chopped roasted nuts, dusted with 1 teaspoon of flour. Add 1/8 teaspoon of mixed spices. Add 1 tablespoon of caramel brown sugar. For making caramel sugar syrup, we need 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 4 teaspoons of water. Once it starts bubbling, turn off the gas and let it cool down completely before you using it. Let's get back to the recipe. Add soaked dry fruits in rum or you can replace it with orange juice. Add 2 teaspoons of almond flour. It is optional. Grate some nutmeg. Grate some fresh orange zest and avoid taking the white part. I'm using different dry fruits and nuts for toppings. Now bake it at 150 degrees Celsius for 55 to 60 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. I hope you guys like this video. Do give it a try and comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.